In this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail account. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to gmail.com and make sure you're logged into the accounts that you want to delete. Next, what you want to do is come across to this website here, which is myaccount.google.com/delete-services-all-account. What I will do, I will drop this link up here in the video description down below, just so it's easier for you guys. You can just click onto that link to come across to this screen. Now from here, what you can do is, as you can see, we've got some different options, and what you can do first is download your data. So you can actually download your emails before deleting your Gmail if you wanted to keep them as a backup. You can see we've got two options. We've got delete a Google service or delete your Google account. So what you can do is permanently delete your Google account, but if it's just the Gmail that you want to delete, what you want to do is select here where it says delete a Google service. So just go ahead and click here where it says delete a service, and it's going to take you across to a screen like this. So you can see there's a few different services linked to this Google account. To go ahead and delete your Gmail, all you need to do is come to the right hand side of Gmail here and click here where you've got this little trash can icon. Then what you need to do is go ahead and enter an email address, and what's going to happen is a verification is going to be sent to this new email address. And what you need to do is then log into that email address, and you'll see their email from Gmail. Now, when you actually click onto that, you're going to see a link to verify the new email address. And once you've clicked onto that, your Gmail is going to be deleted. So that's how to go ahead and delete Gmail account. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.